Sociology can be defined as the systematic study of society and social interactions. Sociologists examine the relationships between individuals and societies, looking at how cultural patterns and social forces shape human behavior. Some of the key areas studied in sociology include social institutions, social problems, demography, cultures, social change, stratification, and more. The origins of sociology date back to the late 1800s, when theorists like Karl Marx, Emil Durkheim, Max Weber, and others began developing the foundations of modern sociological thought. These early sociologists were seeking to understand how industrialization and other rapid changes taking place in Europe were impacting societies. Their work established many of the theories and methods that sociologists still use today. Sociological theories provide frameworks for understanding social processes and patterns. The three main theoretical perspectives we will cover in this course are structural functionalism, conflict theory, and symbolic interactionism. Structural functionalism sees society as a system of interconnected parts that work together to maintain social stability. Conflict theory focuses on social inequality and power differentials that lead to social discord. And symbolic interactionism looks at how shared meanings and symbols shape social interactions. Each of these perspectives offer different lenses through which to analyze society. Studying sociology provides many benefits, both for individuals and for society as a whole. It enables us to think critically about social issues, provides tools for data analysis, and prepares students for careers requiring cultural competency. Sociological research can also inform social policy and lead to positive social change.